Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another technical sequel of Team HowdyCloudy. Team members are myself, Saminathan Raju, Saurav, Roshni, Prasad, RJ, and Ramya. The agenda for today is status, deployment plan, flow of the application and data, research, and Gantt chart. Presentation link will be updated once the meeting recording is over. Status, where we are currently. The application deployment is underway. We worked on a complete JavaScript-based solution without any custom middle tier overhead. The solution is completely Dockerized and deployed on Georgia Tech Docker environment. The link will be provided in the subsequent slide. We had a few challenges with the Rancher timeout, due to which Jenkins' job was a failure. We could overcome that with Jenkins file modifications. And one more important thing, no more hello world. You can say hello timely donor referral. Yes, you are right. The actual application itself can be seen using the link specified there. What's in pipeline? Number one, UI integration. Roshni and Saurav are going to be working on that. We currently have HTML-based UI representation, which will be replaced with more intuitive wizard-like flow. Next two slides will give you an idea of what it's going to look like. Number two, testing. Currently, manual testing is planned. Everyone in the team will be contributing to edge case scenarios, while the happy path is pretty obvious with the direct data test flow. The existing UI, as you see, is a plain HTML-based UI elements, and this is the proposed and upcoming UI. Centerso Hospital EHR, the very first screen to your top left, is the sample EHR system from where this application is invoked, and it is completely configured. And the subsequent wizard-like flow, what you see is our actual application. And the arrow mark is going to guide you the faces, and the final step is the acknowledgement screen, what you see. Application deployment plan. The final version of the code will be maintained in the same GitHub repository provided to us. There is no plans of deploying it elsewhere, nor to enable build jobs. The current DevOps infrastructure and setup will remain as is, and it will be used. And the URL is provided here where the application is currently deployed, and the same will be used. And the Cerner sandbox environment provides an EHR system which will be used to invoke and test the application, and there is exactly where OAuth 2 and FHIR resources are associated with. And just a few screenshots of this application. And you're just going to have the client ID and the redirect URI specified. Client ID is a configured value, and redirect URI is exactly the Cerner sandbox will be redirecting to after the OAuth is successful. And you are selecting a patient information from hospital EHR systems, and FHIR resources corresponding to that patient will be sent back to our application. And you see the user ID and password. And up until this scope, you are in the scope of Cerner. Up until this page, you are in the scope of Cerner, sorry. So once you click launch, that is exactly when you will be invoking our application. And since it is a POC, we are planning to keep it editable. So there is no read-only field or anything. But the understanding is that, everybody shouldn't be doing it. They would have their due diligence, and only the person concerned should be editing it as needed. And the research. And we had a couple of questions on deceased patient information and data. There is no out-of-the-box facility provided by Cerner Sandbox that helps us identify deceased patient information. But smarthealthit.org brings us close to that, which allows us to query and select our preferred list of patients for our application. And on selecting the deceased patient, we get some more information, including the external observation that says the cause of death and all that good stuff. So based on which it provides a pop-up that contains the detailed clinical code along with the reason for the patient. Again, so pretty much the project status is green. So we are on track. And that is it. And I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I will see you in the subsequent sessions. Thank you for watching.